Laptops are made to be taken with you on the go. And because of that, they put up with a lot of abuse. But the abuse doesn't just stop with the laptop itself. The chargers get a lot of wear and tear as well. And if you're like me, my charger has seen better days. Look at this twisted up cable. I don't know how much longer it's going to last. And so that's why I'm excited to be talking to you today about this 2-in-1 laptop and phone charger. It was sent to me by the company so that I could make an honest review. And when you take it out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is this incredibly long USB-C cable. It goes on forever. I couldn't believe how long this thing was, and so I actually went and took out my tape measure to see just how long it was and found that this charger has a reach of over 8 feet, which is amazing. The next thing we'll talk about is the charging brick itself. You can see right here when it's not in use, the prongs fold away very easily and pop out just as easily when you do need to use it. And on the back side, we have a USB-C port and a USB port. Now, how does this work for you? Hey guys, I'm Dan, and welcome to Dan's Review Lab. I test all kinds of products, so you don't have to. If you find something interesting in this video, check the description for my affiliate link. This means that I will earn a small commission if you buy something. It won't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you honest reviews. I certainly appreciate it, and now let's get back to the review. To charge your computer, this is the first thing you want to do. Take one end of the USB-C cord and just plug it right in here. Okay. Then I will plug it into the wall. And on the other end of my cord, there is this handy adapter that I can plug right into the USB-C cable. And you can take a look here, compare this end with the one that came with my computer, and you will see that they are the same. So all we need to do is plug this into my computer and we're charging. So let me give you a good look here. See, and you can see that charging light comes on right away. But remember, this is a 2-in-1 charger. There's more that we can do with this. So what I like to do is take this USB port and plug in my charging cable for my cell phone. And then I can charge both my laptop and my cell phone at the same time. Its compact size and ability for the prongs to fold away when you're not using it make it great for traveling. And I've never had any problem with it overheating while I've been using it. So no matter your situation, maybe you need a second charger so you can leave one at home and at your office and not have to remember to bring it back and forth with you all the time. Or maybe you just need a small compact charger so that you can bring this with you when you travel. Or maybe you're like me and your charger is just on its last leg and you don't know how long it's going to last. This is a great option to consider. I highly recommend it. I hope this video was helpful.